So, you want to be a part of the new Sleep Club Mixer Truck family, eh?
Yeah, 100% you can trust me. I heard you guys are doing big things. I can't wait to get started.
I don't know about you, Ronnie, but I don't trust them. We must take a vote. All those in favor, say aye. If you're good with them, then I'm good with them too. Tony, pat him down.
Wait a minute. Nobody needs to search me. Nobody needs to search me at all.
Why you getting nervous? This is standard procedure.
Yeah, I just come pat you down. It's a part of the process. Told you, nobody need to search me. Nobody need to search me. He's wearing a fucking logbook. You bad bastard. I know you couldn't be trusted.
I can explain. 1 second. DOT bagged me for a DUI and told me they'd cut me a slide deal if I just helped bring you guys down. But I wasn't going to do it, Ronnie. On my mother's eyes, I wasn't going to do it.
Make him a 20-inch slump.
He sleeps with the fishes.
What do you want me to do with his headset?
Put it in the box and mail it to DOT with a letter that says he sleeps with the rebar.